What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the Indian Motorcycle Guy channel. Today I wanted to talk to you about a super easy, super cheap little mod that I did to the bike. Just a nice little personalization touch that added a really unique sort of flavor and flair to my bike. And it cost me about $16 Canadian. So that's what? Like $1 American? Just kidding. Anyways, I want to show you guys, this is just a simple automotive film. I bought this on Amazon. It cost me, I think it was 15 bucks for the roll. This particular color here is Demon Black. But something that I think is really, really interesting is, in a lot of cases, you take a look at the new Harley CVRs and stuff like that, and they've got a lot of the like fractured carbon fiber components and everything like that. I mean, we're talking big bucks for that stuff. But if stand back and take a look here, I mean, this is absolutely beautiful, flawless, looks absolutely gorgeous, adds a very nice, unique sort of vintage flavor to the color of the bike with the red. I'm not suggesting this color, but I mean, you can use any color you want, carbon fiber, anything. So I did it on these two covers here. I did it on my center strip up the middle of the tank, which gives it just a beautiful look. And I had also originally done it on this horn cover here too, but just with the heat of the engine, I had a difficult time. It would peel up over the edges and everything. So I ended up just ripping it off. But the point that I'm trying to make here is I had never, ever done this before. The very first time I ever did it was on this bike. I watched a YouTube video, cost me 15 bucks. And you literally just heat it up with a heat gun, apply it, you can rip it off. This particular component here has had it fully applied twice and completely ripped off. There's absolutely no damage to the paint. So play around with it, try it. I personally feel this just gives my bike a very unique flavor, something that's really interesting and kind of different from what you see on all of the other bikes. I think it looks fantastic and it cost me like 15 bucks. So I hope that helps. This is what we're doing here at the Indian Motorcycle Guy channel. We're learning together, playing together, having some fun. If you have any amazing ideas for mods, make sure to comment them down below. Give us a like and subscribe if you found this helpful. And I want to thank each and every one of you. We've only been around for a couple of days, but we hit 10 subscribers. So for every single one of you, thank you so much. And if you're new to the channel, like and subscribe. I hope you like what you see, and we're going to keep hanging out here and doing this every day. For the time being, Motorcycle Guy, Indian Motorcycle Guy, peace.